Architecture is very important for everyone because it's the environment, it's the space where we are all living. And we have always in mind that the people like to live in places which are not imposing or restricting or constraining anything. So it's always what we have in mind.
The reaction of the space that we deliver and life and this possibility of freedom creates something more. And precisely this is architecture. So it never the building empty. It is a building with its inhabitants and its occupants that produce architecture. We create floors, we create some systems where you enter in spaces, and after that it is transparency. So just partitions between people.
Probably that the sense of community is, can happen when everyone has the feeling that he or she is considered, that he has the same possibilities as anyone. We take a lot of care of what we are doing and what could be the impact of what we are doing.
All projects are different. Each time it's new situations, sometimes a new country, sometimes new people, new climates. So it's fantastic because you discover new situations. And each time it's like we start from zero.
As an architect, everything is hard. But what is the interest is much bigger than what is hard. So it's why we accept to deal with the hard, because we know that at the end it will be very, very pleasant.
It's always a fight. It's always a fight. But at the end, what is interesting it is to say that the fight is a game.
When we are designing the project, where we are starting to work on a site, we never think in terms of forms. So it's what we call from the inside out. It means that we think the project from inside. For us, it's important the principle of looking of what we have in hands and what we could do with it.
We are always talking about the existing city, existing situations. And we are inside these situations. It's a different approach of urbanism, no more from above, but from inside, with this curiosity and this precision.
And we are really interested in this process of transformation, addition, expansion, superimposition. Because for us, this opportunity of doing more with what we have.
We call plus. That means that we should never demolish, because always we have to consider what is already there, this memory, this life that people spend there, even in difficult conditions.
We did some projects of transformation, and especially of modern social housing. This is a transformation of 3 big blocks of 530 dwellings, and we did it without removing any family from the building, but with the ambition of transforming the space of living in a much better way and to give another 50 years life of this building. And we transformed this into beautiful housing with much more space for every inhabitant. Here at this scale, it was really a part of the city, and we were expecting that it could really show the relevance of this process of transformation instead of demolition and rebuild.